In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Final Fantasy 16 with a controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. With Final Fantasy 16 being officially released in PC, a lot of people are curious if you can easily set up a controller and play with the OG layouts or schemes. And thankfully, you will be able to easily set up any sort of controller that you have, PlayStation controllers, Xbox controllers, or even generic ones. So I recommend that you do this process through Steam. Now, Final Fantasy 16 was released on PC for both Steam and Epic, but even if you own the game through Epic, you will still be able to add the game as a non-Steam game, and I actually recommend that you do this. So you will be able to add the Epic Games Launcher to Steam, and then add Final Fantasy 16. You can launch the Epic Games Launcher through Steam, and then just click the option to play Final Fantasy 16. And the reason why I highly recommend that you do this process through Steam is because Steam has a feature called Steam Input that automatically sets up and detects any controllers that you use. So once you connect your controller to your PC, right-click Final Fantasy 16, go to Properties, and then choose Controller. As you can see here, you can enable or disable Steam Input, which is the feature that I mentioned. It allows any controller to be used with any Steam game and enables controller reconfiguration. So make sure that this is enabled. Once this is done, you can go over to the Controller Configurator tab, and in here you can set up the layout for your controller. So sadly, my controller just got unplugged, but as you can see, it's back here. So it's being detected as an official Xbox controller, and they also have full support for DualShock 4 and DualSense. You can choose from any of these officially made layouts, so made by Square Enix. You can browse through templates or community layouts, and you can change your own. You can do it inside of Steam, so right here, edit the layout and change all of the buttons, D-pad, triggers, and joysticks, or you can configure them inside of the game. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to set up the controller button type, so between Xbox or PlayStation, you will be able to change settings like rumble, layout, adaptive triggers, and so on, and it is overall a better experience to play using a controller, in my personal opinion. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Final Fantasy 16 with controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.